Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can create a new partition from an existing drive on Windows 11. Well, the process will fairly be the same if you are still using Windows 10. Anyhow, here you can see I have divided my drive into two partitions, one for the operating system and softwares and one for my data. Well, to organize my data properly, I found a need to create a new one, and I will use the data drive to create the new one. So right click on the start menu and select disk management. Here you can see I have two main primary partitions named C and D, and the remaining ones are recovery partitions we don't need to touch. So right click on the one you want to use to create your new drive and then click on shrink volume. It may or may not take a minute to process to open this small window. Well, this is the total size of this drive in megabytes or MBs, and this is the shrinkable space we can use. And here we need to enter the amount of space to create the new drive. Since there are 1024 megabytes in 1 gigabyte, we can just simply multiply it with the size we want to use to create our new drive. And then just add this figure here. Remember, it must be within the shrinkable space, and then click on shrink. And here you can see a new drive or partition has been created which is still unallocated. It means it's there, but it's not available to use because it's not yet formatted properly. So right click on it and then click on new simple volume. It will start a process to format it properly. Here click on next. Since I don't want to reduce its size, I'm just clicking on next. Here you can assign a letter to this drive, and we can't use the ones that have already been used like C, D and E. Well, you sure can select the one of your choice by clicking on this drop down, then click on next. Here keep the same file system and change the name if you want. And then click on next. Then click on finish to complete the formatting process. Now it's been properly formatted and we can use it to create and organize our files. And this is how you can create a new drive or partition from an existing drive on Windows 11. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share your support by hitting the like, subscribe and share buttons. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.